Andromeda rushing up one for the road now for the outside lane. Kanya pintered baling Rikita. Then followed by Gossips. Entry number one, the Barrister, while Happy Maggie is running in the tail of the field. And as they race the corner now, one for the road. The leader, two lengths back, Andromeda. And towards the last 400, one for the road, still in front, two lengths leader from Andromeda. 2 lengths for the back, Baling Rikit Gossips, then followed by the Barrister, while Happy Maggie still running in the table of field and got to be hurry now. And final turn, one for the road, and Andromeda in the middle, the Barrister run by the Villa, Baling Rikit and Gossips, a long shot now from the outside is Andromeda, Gossips now from the outside, and out wide is one for the road and the Barrister, and finally Gossips. The Barrister Andromeda, Happy Maggie.
Racing Jazz is started. We have Sandigan break quickly at the start. Running by the release pay. The leading middle portion is Uncle Baines. Alongside now is Luke Skywalker. Next in line is Don Lucas. And on the outside is Perus Perry. Then followed now by Full Control while Trumpeter is the early trailer. Racing down the backstretch, we have the quick is striding Sandigan on its favorite position as the pace setter. Enjoying a link anyhow lead right behind in second. Now is Luke is Skywalker moving upon the outside now. Is Perus Perry. Uncle Baines is running by the rail, then followed now by Don Lucas. Full control now trying to get closer, then followed by Faye the Lady, and a long way back to Trumpeter, who's racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have 4 runners by the route for the Sandigan, Perus Perry. Uncle Baines moving up in the middle portion, and on the outside now is full control as they swing for Sandigan by Orling Kenny up, moving up now at the outside. Uncle Baines full control, rushing up on the outside. Sandigan, Uncle Baines full control is on the outside. Sandigan full control, and nearing the finish line, it's going to be a close finish. Perus Perry, Sandigan full control, then comes Uncle Baines.
Up and racing now in the heavy rain, steady cut. Rose for the leader, Lucky Hilda, Kashi skiing, then followed by Sultan of Iris. His legs align, matching stride now, Lucky Hilda and steady cut. 2 lengths for the back in third, Kashi skiing. 5 lengths away is Sultan of, moving up now, Kalaokan Girl. And towards the last 400, Lucky Hilda, steady cut. And Kashish King now for the outside, and long way back, Kalaokan Girl. Then followed by Sultan Nov, and final turn now, Lucky Hilda racing on the outside, moving up Kashish King down for the inside, steady cut. But it's still Lucky Hilda moving up now is Kash. Is King, it's Cash is King, followed by Lucky Hilda, and up the line, Cash is King, Lucky Hilda, close, Kalokan Girl, and steady cat.
Racing Jazz is started. We have Lightning Bolt. Break quickly restart. Emon Danori inside now. Is Kusing rushing up. Then followed now by Double Rock Babago while Clairvoyant is the early trailer. Another 4 turn we have Emon Lightning Bolt rushing up now is Kusing. Then followed now by Pagbabago Clairvoyant racing second as well Double Rock now racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Emon moving up his Kusing, Lightning Bolt, likewise rushing up on the outside, Clairvoyant, Double Rock, and Pagbabago. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Kaemon by Orling Kenny up. Moving up down on the inside is Clairvoyant. And on the outside is Lightning Bolt. It's now Clairvoyant takes command. And on the outside is Kaemon. We have Clairvoyant followed by Kaemon on the outside. And finally it's Clairvoyant. Kaemon, Lightning Bolt, then comes Double Rock.
Wait. They go now. In front is second by Tokyo. Tokyo Rumba is Tokyo Rumba followed by Queen Sia. And around the outside now is Manang Bidai. But it's still Tokyo Rumba. The front runner leads by some 3 lengths. It's Tokyo Rumba leads by some 4 lengths now. And being a Abalon Bandit. And past the last 400, it is still Tokyo Rumba by some 5 lengths, followed now by Abalon Bandita. Racing in third is Queen C, radio outside now Mustang Sully and Love Radio. Alter now, it is still Tokyo Rumba by only 2 lengths. Here comes Avalon Bandit, try to get close, and on the outside, Tokyo Rumba, still in front, and finally Tokyo Rumba, Avalon Bandit, Love Radio, Mustang Sully. H-Roy. And they're up and racing now, Nose and Young Yana moving up and will now because Grande Island. And running in third Compassion since when also they now then followed by Cupid Bella and Sky Lover, best offer. And as they race the for now, it's Nose and Young Yana followed by Compassion. Cupid Bell na for the outside and followed by Since When Bukas Grande Island. Past the last 400, matching stride, Nose and Young Yana moving up. Cupid Bell na for the outside. Compassion Since When and Bukas Grande Island. Down the stretch they go. Cupid Bell and Nose and Young Yana. It's Nose and Young Yana. Cupid Bell now for the outside. And hitting the finish line and rushing up is Compassion. It's now Cupid Bell. Second Compassion.
Raising Jazz is started. We have Mr. Millennial rushing up down on the inside to take the lead. The outside now is Twinkle Toes in the middle portion is Smiling Lady Type, and one comes next Margaret Truth Maker. Then down on the inside is My Dear Magnolia. And at the far turn we have 2 runners fighting it out for the lead. Running by the release Mr. Millennial. Alongside comes Twinkle Toes. Then next in line now is Smiling Lady. Moving up now on the outside is Taipan 1 together with Macarita. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Mr. Millennial by about 2 lengths. Moving up on the outside is Twinkle Toes. We have Mr. Millennial followed now by Macarita on the inside. And on the outside is Twinkle Toes. Mr. Millennial followed by Macarit. And finally it's Mr. Millennial. Macarit, Twinkle Toes, Smiling Lady. Then comes 12. Raising Jazz is started with his rumble in front position. We have Anglus moving up his special officer. Right on the outside is Bandy together with number 9 in this one, or rather number 10 in this one is Isaiah. And going along for the first turn, we have the quick is striding hang loose on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Special Officer in second, Bahandi, moving a party outside his stripe of pink, Lucky Leia, now to take tip alongside his Grand Monarch, then followed by Denison. Isaiah comes next, while Kaboom, who's racing second less and a long way back to the Alpha Male who's racing in less. And on the fourth turn, we have hung loose, then here comes the Special Officer now about to throw the challenge on the outside. Bahandi is racing in third, then followed now by Stripe of Pink. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have a Special Officer takes command, then on the outside now is Bahandi. We have a Special Officer this time by about 4 lanes. Bahandi in second, moving a body outside now is Kaboomba with about 100 meters of the race, very Special Officer followed by Bahandi, and finally the curtain closer, Special Officer Bahandi. Kaboom, then comes 5 Stripe of Pink,